Well, say hello to our friend Russell Guest. He's a partner attorney at Guest and Brady, and we're here to kind of talk about the world of personal injury because with over 25 years of experience, he knows the ins and outs. Russell, thanks for being here today.
It's good to be here. Thank you for having us here today. And I'm an attorney here in Greenville, and I've been practicing, like you said, for 25 years and been almost exclusively with personal injury over that time. Seen such a variety of things during that time. I also have deep roots here in Greenville. My father is from Anderson. I was married here at First Pres, just a couple of blocks away.
Gorgeous
Met
church.
my wife here. So I have real deep roots here.
Well, now, personal injury claims, are they on an incline, I guess, with population growth?
Yes. What a great question. You know, in the last 10 years, we've probably seen over 100,000 people come into this county alone.
Yes.
And Spartanburg has seen amazing growth too.
Yeah.
And as you can imagine, the roads have not changed, of course, that much to keep up with that.
Well, a few more
people.
potholes.
Yeah, there's a few more potholes. There's no question. But like you guys have reported on here, the county council has agreed to do a comprehensive road study, which is the beginning of what should help. But it's not going to catch up with it. If we have another 10 years where there's another 100,000 people coming in, can you imagine what that's going to do? Yes. So
you'll have gray hair by then.
Yeah, I will. Or
from all the claims.
Completely.
Or no air.
Right, yes. So we'll most likely have experienced more collisions, more accidents during that time frame. No question.
What kind of cases are Guest and Brady seeing as a law firm for personal injury?
We do a variety of things, including on-the-job injuries, so people that are hurt at work, also auto accidents, slip and falls, anything that where someone is injured due to the negligence of another.
Right.
We work on that.
Or faulty equipment at work.
Faulty equipment.
Workman's comp.
We've handled,
claims.
that's true.
Yeah.
We handle Camp Lejeune cases.
A lot of that,
Yeah, right. And those are serious matters. And there are settlements coming out of that now being offered by the government. There are also products cases that we handle too. So a variety of things where there's injury involved.
And I feel like sometimes people, do you see that they maybe, if they are injured, they wait too long before they get in touch with you, or?
What a good question. Absolutely. So whenever, a lot of these instances, you know, if you have a regular fender bender, then there's certain levels of trauma and incidences that happen. And so sometimes it's okay to go directly to the insurance company and work with them, but you have a serious injury. It is my advice that they are not necessarily aligned with your interests.
Right.
Now, I'm not saying we need insurance companies.
Sure.
And they're valuable to our society and economy, and so no disparaging of them. It's just that their alignment is not necessarily yours. So it is important that you reach out to myself and that we have a conversation so that you can understand what's next for you in these moments.
And I was going to say, especially before you sign something with an insurance company.
Yes, don't be signing.
Don't sign with
and don't try to work it yourself.
No.
Like if you're out there trying to work it yourself, there are certain things that we should not do.
Yeah.
Like I probably shouldn't be in television. Like I don't know that business really well. But also, like I had an issue with the diesel truck this weekend. So I took it to a mechanic that actually understands diesel engines.
Right, instead of you trying to Google and
Yeah. You wouldn't want me doing that.
No, me neither.
But when we get to serious injuries and accidents, there is a plethora of things that can go wrong in regards to you maximizing the care and the treatment that you have. It's very important to talk to someone like myself.
Russell, would you charge us for an initial consult?
There is no fee for an initial consult, so it'd be no money out of pocket. Typically, during the representation as a whole, there's no money out of pocket, and that is a problem in terms of the community out there where they suspect that they're going to have to pay an attorney, which is sometimes by an hourly fee. In this instance, all the time in an injury, we do not charge an hourly fee. So it's just only by contingency. Only if we collect money for you do we get paid.
See, these are good people,
good to know.
good local people, 25 years experience, Guest and Brady Law. If you have any questions, go ahead and get in touch. Again, a consultation is free. Just see, like maybe you don't need any help, maybe you need a lot of help. They'll hook it up. So we appreciate you for coming on today.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you very much.
Tell Mr. Brady hello for us.
Yeah, it's good
I see him
information.
there.